Hello YouTube, Mitch with I-95 Muscle. We've got the S10 that we've been building for quite some time finally ready. We need help naming it. If you guys wouldn't mind telling us what we should name it, we'll let Calvin tell you all the specs on it and you can help us go from there. Thanks a lot.
Alright guys, so obviously it's a 03 S10. Started out life as a little 4-cylinder. Had a 4-cylinder rear end. All that stuff is gone. So what we're rocking now is an LS1. It's got LS6 Cam and heads. All the LS swap motor mounts and stuff for the S10 is in there. We were running into issues with traction with the old tires. If you could tell, we got a little bit of tire poking out there. So to alleviate that, we hopped up to a ZR2 wide stance rear end. Gave us an 8-inch wider stance, and that allowed us to run the ZR1 Corvette wheels as well as some 345 drag radials. We picked up Positraction by doing that, disc brakes, and it just looks cool. And if you get a peek underneath the rear end, you're gonna see our Viking fully adjustable shocks in the back there. You just reach under there, a couple clicks, and you can tune up your suspension. Under the front, we got the Viking fully adjustable coilovers as well as shocks. And underneath, we got under the front, we have the Viking coilovers, fully adjustable shocks as well. I'll go ahead and pop the hood and let you guys get a look underneath the hood there. We reached out to a guy on Instagram called BH Customs. He was able to throw together a really cool engine cover. Kind of helps set off the look of the truck a little bit. So you pop the hood, you see the BH Customs engine cover. As you can tell, we needed a shoehorn the size of a F250 to get this motor to squeeze in here. A lot of this was done right here in the shop. The only thing that we sent it out for was the AC stuff. And
Paul at Autotech on Cumberland Road helped us out with that.
Yep, so 4-wheel disc brakes now.
AC, power steering. A lot of people skip the power steering when they do these swaps, but you've got your aluminum radiator with dual electric fans and your power steering reservoirs all right there.
The gentleman over at Dirty Dingo hooked us up with all these really nice brackets. It fit right in. We didn't have to do any crazy modifications to the frame or nothing like that. And
see the header here. Coils are still in the factory position.
So let me go ahead and fire it up, let you hear it a little bit, and then maybe we'll just take it down the driveway here.
Our goal was to kind of make it how Chevy would have made it if they were offering LS1s in an S10 this year.
And a lot of the factory stuff on the truck is ran off of the factory fuse relay box, so you don't have to troubleshoot some other crazy wiring harness. The only thing that's going to be aftermarket that's not standard is your LS1 harness, which comes with its own fuses right over here. But let's go ahead and pull it down the driveway and let you check it out that way.
I want to go.
So we were able to get all the factory gauges working with the exception of the fuel gauge. After a little bit of troubleshooting, come to find out it might just need a new fuel sending unit. With that being said, we'll probably get all that squared away before we end up letting someone take it home. Turn that radio off there.
All your factory AC controls, factory radio. Like I said, this is what a V8 S10 would be like if Chevy built it. Plus a little bit of terrifying. I'll get out for one of those and we'll try to keep the video under 6 minutes.
All right.
Don't hit that Z06. Thanks for watching. Like I said, we need your help naming this truck. Something other than White Lightning or whatever. We were leaning towards something that has that ZR2 rear axle, ZR1 wheel setup, ZR1.5, I don't know. But give us something cool. And it should be on the website, ready for purchase pretty soon. Thanks a lot.